Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys my twist out using a product that was inside of my I'm going to be using a product that was inside of my curl kit for December, and y'all know I love curl kits because of this very reason. I literally did not know what I wanted to do with my hair until I saw my products. I don't know what it is. For some reason, when I see a new product and I feel it and smell it, it just motivates me to want to do my hair. I don't know if I'm the only one that feels that way. So anyway, more about this product. It's like a body butter. It has a very light scent to it, but the consistency is very thick, just like a butter. The butter is from like the Body Shop. Yeah, it kind of mimics like that type of feel. It's super moisturizing. I definitely feel like during the winter cooler months, I need something that's moisturizing to my hair, and that definitely took the cake. It did it for me. And if you guys do want to get your own curl kit, you can follow my link below in the description box and receive 10% off of your first curl kit. So why not? Like, they give you new products each month. The details on it, you basically will have to pay a subscription fee of $25 a month, which includes the shipping. Well, just follow that link in the description box and you'll be all set. Yeah. I will call, you would say, baby, how's your day? But today, it ain't the same. Every other word is a yeah, okay. Could it be that you are at the crib with another lady? If you took it there, first of all, let me say, I am not the one to sit around and be played. So prove yourself to me. If I'm the girl that you claim, why don't you say the things that you said to me yesterday? Say my name, if no one is around you. Say, baby, I love you if you ain't running game. Say my name, you acting kinda shady, ain't calling me baby. Why the sudden change? Say my name, if no one is around you. Say, baby, I love you if you ain't running game. Say my name, you acting kinda shady, ain't calling me baby. Better say my name. What is up with this? Tell the truth, who you with? How would you like it if I came over with my clique? Don't try to change it now. Saying you gotta bounce when 2 seconds ago said you just got in the house. It's hard to believe that you are at home by yourself when I just heard the voice of someone else. Just this question, why do you feel you gotta lie? Getting caught up in your game when you cannot say my name. I know you say that I am assuming things. Something's going down, that's the way it seems. Shouldn't be no reason why you acting strange. Nobody's holding you back from me, 'cause I know how you usually do. When you saying everything to me times 2, why can't you just tell the truth? If somebody said, then tell me who. Say my name, if no one is around you. Say, baby, I love you if you ain't running game. Say my name, you acting kinda shady, ain't calling me baby. Why the sudden change? Say my name, if no one is around you. Say, baby, I love you if you ain't running game. Say my name, you acting kinda shady, ain't calling me baby. Better say my name. I like to run my fingers along the strands of the hair to smooth that cuticle so that the twist out can be as neat and formed and uniformed as possible. And then I just roll my fingers around the ends to coil the ends a little bit. And my hair is not super detangled. I did wash my hair previous to this.
It's about, I want to say 70% dry. The conditioning shampoo and conditioner that I used is that the Cream of Nature, it's so moisturizing to the point where you can actually detangle your hair. Like you can finger detangle your hair in the shower. So that's like, to me that matters. When I'm looking for a good shampoo, I want something where I can actually detangle my hair in the shower. And it doesn't necessarily have to be with like a comb. I can just use my fingers to detangle it. That way it, you know, eliminates the process of detangling my hair afterwards. As you can tell, I'm not doing the twists super small or super big because I do want them to be defined. So I'm doing like a medium size. And I just might wear this style for a couple of days. Wear my hair in twists for a couple of days. I'm not quite sure yet, but I don't see why not if I'm doing them like this. If you do them like this, you'll be able to rock them and then take them down when you want to. So you have like 2 styles in one. I like to do my perimeter. The part, I'll do it like a little bit bigger in size. And I also like to make sure that the piece that I'm taking, you want to make sure that those 2 pieces that you grab are equal. Because you don't want to borrow from the other piece. It just will make for a frizzy twist out if you start to do borrowing.
If I told you I could give you life, would you leave the boundaries of your mind? I bet you never even knew that there's a universe inside of you. Can I take your pain and make it go away? Would you let me be your getaway? There's a universe inside of you. Can I? If I color you with all my thoughts, would you lose your fears of being lost? I bet you never even knew. I see the universe inside of you. Can I make you feel okay? Would you let me take you to a higher place? No, I bet you never knew. There's a universe inside of you. Can I?
Styling pomade, and I just untwisted my hair using a silky serum, like the Silk Infusion from cheap. You can really use any type of serum, but why do I recommend a serum over an oil scalp? So the serum actually helps to preserve the style, the twist out, the braid out, only because it doesn't it's not weighed down by any oil, any heavy oil. And yeah, so that's my twist out, guys. This is day 1 of my twist out. I hope you guys have a beautiful day, and if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, please do so, and I'll see you guys later.